U.S. wiped them out, wiped them out, wiped them out. Then the U.S. wiped them out, no more Taliban. Opium production rose on up, rose on up, rose on up. Opium production rose on up till it reached a record high. Now he's trying to wipe it out, wipe it out, wipe it out. U.S. is trying to wipe it out and failing miserably. Now we have a new idea, new idea, new idea. Now we have a new idea and we think that it will work. Buy it for $2 billion, billion bucks, billion bucks. Buy it for $2 billion and turn it to morphine. And turn it to morphine.
Thank you, everyone. That's our show. We'll see you next time on Speak O Show.